How to fix Google Chrome ran out of memory. Hey everyone, let's get started. Are you getting this snap error on your Google? Here are some fixes for such problem. So the first one is, first of all, open your Google browser and after that click on the three dots on the top right corner. Go to its settings and once that is open, click on privacy and security. Under privacy and security, you will see the first option of clear browser data. On this, you can see different options which is already checked. There are browsing history, cookies and other data, as well as you will see cache files. So on the basic settings, you can click the time range, that is you want to change it to all time. And then you can uncheck the options that you do not want to clear, such as browsing history and cookies. But make sure that you have checked your cached images and files. After that is done, click on clear data. You have to do the same thing with the advanced clear browsing data as well. You can uncheck the files that you do not want to delete or clear. And for the data that you want to clear, you just have to check it and click on clear data. Once that is done, we can move on to the another settings, which is on the left side of the screen. You must scroll down and click on extensions. Doing so, you will see all the downloaded extensions. Make sure to remove the extensions which are not required. For so, you just have to click on remove and then click on remove again, and just by that you will be removing the excessive or extra extensions which are not required. Also make sure that you are not using too much of multiple windows and tabs at the same time. Doing so will use all of your computer resources, which can cause the memory issue in Google Chrome. So make sure to close all of such windows which are not useful at the moment. The next option that you can apply is clear the cached and junk files of the disk manager. For that, you have to press Windows R to open the Run tab. Now type in Clean Manager and then click on OK to select the drive that you want to disk clean up for. Once that is done, it will be calculating all the disks and then click on OK. After a while, a new tab will be opened. You will have to select all the files that you want to delete. Make sure to tick all the cache or the junk file. Then click on View Files if you want a detailed view of it. Now click on OK and it will clean all the junk files. This will also help to solve your issue for the Google Chrome. Another option that you can apply is open the command prompt as administrator. For that, type in CMD and click on Run as administrator. On the command prompt, type in sfc/scan now. This will start detecting all of your disk manager. This process might take a lot of time or a little time. You have to wait patiently. While doing so, you can also check for the updates. For that, type in on the search bar Windows Update. Once the settings is open, you have to make sure that your Windows is in its latest version, and if any update is available, make sure to update it on time. After updating, also make sure to restart your device. And after following all the steps, you will be solving your issue to fix Google Chrome's ran out of memory error. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and stay tuned.